Hello everyone, how to remove extra spaces and replace number in Excel. So let's start. The first, open your Excel and you can see I have data the number list with the extra space. To remove this extra space, select the first entire column and after that press the Ctrl F shortcut key. So here I press the Ctrl F and you can see here find and replace dialog box is open. In replace tab, in first find what option, click on this box and press space bar key in Excel. So I press here space bar key and you can see here slightly space showing before this cursor. Okay. After that, in replace with, click on this box and leave blank. Okay. After that, click on the replace all and that's it. All finished. We made 13 replacements. Click on OK, close this dialog box and here you can see all number, the extra space is removed. And next, replace number. So first I select a number from this list. So I select this one and press here the Ctrl C to copy this number. Then press here Ctrl F to open the find and replace dialog box. Here in replace tab, I just paste here and find what number. So I just paste here the selected number, then replace with another number. So I type here the another number to replace. Okay. And after that, click on the replace and that's it. You can see your selected number is changed. The first is a 555 666 and then here the second number is replaced 563245. Okay, now close this dialog box and that's it. So this is a way you can quickly replace the number in Excel. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.